The easiest way to ensure consistently great espresso is by keeping your machine clean. In this video, we'll provide an overview of how to perform an automated backflush and daily cleaning cycle for the Class 5 Crono espresso machine. Supplies needed. To perform a coffee cleaning, you'll need coffee cleaning solution, a group brush, a blind basket or cover, and surface cleaning solution with microfiber towels. Backflushing the group heads. To begin, remove the portafilter. Add the blind disc or replace the filter basket with a blind basket. Then add your cleaning detergent. This is also a good time to clean the group head gasket. Using the portafilter stiff brush, clean around the gasket, making sure to remove any coffee grounds. Note that all groups will run the cleaning cycle, so be sure to prepare each group head and portafilter. Phase 1. To access the automated backflush cycle, hold the C, or button number 4, down for 5 seconds until CL1 appears on the screen. With the blind basket and cleaning solution ready, lock in each portafilter. Press the C button again to start the automated backflush cycle. Phase 2. When the cleaning cycle has finished, CL2 will appear on the screen. Remove the portafilter and rinse off any coffee or cleaning solution out of the portafilter. Press the C button again to begin the rinse cycle. Phase 3. When the cleaning cycle has finished, CL3 will appear on the screen. Reinsert the backflush disc or blind basket. Lock in the portafilters again. Press the C button again to start the backflush. When the backflush cycle has completed, the pause symbol will appear on the screen. Unlock the portafilter, remove the blind basket or filter disc, and rinse off any coffee or cleaning solution out of the portafilter. Reinsert your standard basket and wipe down your drink area. You've now completed the automated backflush and daily group head cleaning on the Class 5 Crono. Your espresso machine is now ready for use.